Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and grabbing credentials. Create and activate a virtual env, then install requests. This gives you a simple HTTP client. Once done, set your API key as an environment variable so you never hard-code secrets. Now, write a minimal script. Import OS and requests, read OS. Environ API key, then craft headers with authorization. This first call validates credentials and establishes the base URL. It proves connectivity before you build features. You now construct detailed requests and handle responses. Use headers with authorization and content type, then choose requests, get or requests. Post depending on the endpoint, pass params for get, JSON for post. After sending, check response. Status code, treat 200 to 299 as success. Parse using response. JSON and extract fields with dict. Get to avoid key error. If responses are paginated, loop using next tokens or page numbers, and accumulate results into a loop. You finish by making your integration reliable and secure. Wrap network calls in try and accept, add retries with exponential backoff, and respect rate limit headers to avoid being throttled. Make sure API keys live outside code, for example in environment variables or a secrets manager. Finally, add logging for requests and compact response summaries so you can debug quickly. If something breaks, check status codes, inspect logs, and confirm the key and endpoint. Those are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.